Hello guys, welcome to the video. Well, since we're working on a camera controller, I thought it would be a perfect time to show you how to make a camera shake. It is a very famous effect that is used probably in every game possible. It really helps to make a good feeling from the game, like to give it a good feedback, and it's always good to know how to make it. I'm not sure if we're gonna use it a lot in this project, because this one usually used for explosion or something like that, and if we shake camera every time tower shoots an explosion, screen gonna be shaking all the time. But that's not the point. The main point is to learn how to make it, and I think we still can find some good use for it. So let's do the method. We need just two variables for this. Probably it's a good idea to make a header for this as well. Header. Let's do camera shake effect. And then actually, let's do screen shake details better. Now we need just two variables. One of them gonna be serialized field, private float, shake magnitude, and serialized field, private float, shake duration. And let's leave it like that for now. Let's go down, and we're gonna make a method. It's gonna be a coroutine actually. It's going to be private enumerator, screen shake affix, and we need float duration and float magnitude. Then inside of this method, we need to do something super simple. First, we want to get original position of the camera. So we can do original position equals to camera controller, transform position. Then we want to have float elapsed equals to 0. It's basically how much time has passed since you start the coroutine, and in the beginning it is 0. Then we're gonna do while elapsed is less than duration. We're gonna just do float x random range from -1 to 1, and we're gonna multiply it by magnitude. So this is gonna be a random shake on the x, and this is gonna be a random shake on the y. -1, 1 multiplied by magnitude. Simple as that. And basically how it's going to work is very simple. We're going to have random value for the x and y, and we're going to change position of the camera with random values, and then once duration is over, once screen shake should stop, we're just going to bring back original position. This is how it's going to be. Simple as that. Let's do camera controller, transform position, equals to original position plus new vector 3 with the x and y that we have as random values, and as z we can pass 0. Then we want to increase elapsed time with the time.delta time so it won't run endlessly, and we want to do yield return null so it works every frame. And after that we can do camera controller transform position equals to original position. Simple as that, really. We just doing same as we did here. I did only change the name from time to elapsed. You can write time here as well, would work the same. And while elapsed time is less than duration of the shake, we just get in random value every time we enter in the while loop. We change in position of the camera with random values, and we increase in elapsed time, and we return in null so it works on the next frame as well. And then we changing it back to original position. Yeah, just like that. Now we need a method that we can call from outside as well. So over here below update, I'm gonna do public void screen shake affix screen shake. And inside we want to start a coroutine of a screen shake affix. Screen shake affix. And over here, we want to pass shake duration and shake magnitude, just like that. And now we want to make sure it's working. So I'm going to do if input get key down key code, and let's choose a key. I'm going to use v. We're going to call screen shake method. Yeah, as simple as that. Lastly, I want to show you how to make range of values so it's a bit easier to set up. In case of a screen shake, we don't really need big values here. So I want to limit them with a range. Let's type here range from, wait, this is what? Magnitude. Okay, so let's do from 0.01f to maybe 0.5. Really, we don't need more. For duration, let's do range from 0.1f to 3f, maybe like that. And we're gonna save it. Now you're gonna see how nice Inspector will look with these changes. We're gonna go back to Unity. And over here below, we have two sliders that we can use to set up values. Very cool. Let's say duration will be 0.3 and magnitude will be somewhat like this, 0.2. Let's go to play mode. I'm gonna wait for camera to settle. And now I'm gonna press V on the keyboard and boom, we have effect. Very nice one. So if you have some big explosion in the game, maybe some kind of skill or like anything you want to add to the game later on, you can use Screen Shake for that. Personally me, I have one idea. I want to use this when we build towers to improve the feeling of the game. Only I'll use smaller values for this. Something like 0.1 on duration and really small magnitude, maybe 0.5 over here. Let me try. Yeah, shakes a bit. So this will work nice when you place the tower on the ground. It's going to be like boom, boom, boom. Really nice one. So yeah, we definitely can use it later on. Also, later on, we might want to, use this method from outside with different duration and magnitude. So probably it's a good idea to do this. Float shake duration. Maybe let's do new duration and float new magnitude. And we can use these values over here. New duration, new magnitude. And as for this one, we can just use duration and magnitude here. Yeah, so now this method is available for other scripts in the game, and you can just pass different values here. I like it.